A loose cassette, as we see here, may damage the spines on the free hub as well as lead to shifting problems. The ring itself often has a torque figure on it, but this is the maximum. You need to look up, and we have listed in the description, the torque range for the specific cassette. And contrary to popular belief, if you don't torque this lock ring up to the minimum of the manufacturer's specifications, you're still going to get wear and you're still going to get some difficulty or poor shifting. Although all measurements were verified using a Park Tool beam torque wrench with some special adapters, we're going to show you how to achieve the torque necessary without using a torque wrench. Make sure that you grease the lock ring threads. Start the lock ring by hand, then using your lock ring tool, this is key, tighten it down as tight as you can get it with your fingers. Next, either with vice grips or pliers, go ahead and pull that lock ring down from about the 3 o'clock position to around almost the 5 o'clock position. If you're using a Nash bar lock ring tool, again, tighten the lock ring by hand as much as possible, and then take it from the 3 o'clock position all the way down, pull firmly to about the 5 o'clock position. The pull should be fairly firm. With a hard, firm pull, you don't need gorilla force, you should be able to get the torque above 30 Newton meters, which should suffice for most SRAM, most Shimano, some Campy. On some of the Campy, which require up to 50 Newton meters, you're going to have to really give it a really hard pull. And contrary to what some people say, the quick release skewer will not make up for a lack of torque in the cassette. Adjusting your bike properly will only help increase performance. If you have any questions, additions, please comment. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.